just feel like this music is so incongruous with what you're doing right now.
See, I never feel that way.
I know.
But
I know.
I'm just a big weirdo.
Well, but it's kind of great though, because I feel like people probably imagine you sitting listening to like Rachmaninoff and like, you know.
Yeah, it's not my thing.
Enya.
Yeah. I mean, Enya is nice enough, but I don't find relaxing music all that relaxing, if you know what I mean.
I do.
That's it for being here. Because you know also these chains only work in one direction. So if you break a link, you've got two chains. Very difficult to fix. Stinker. There we go. I don't think this one was super photogenic.
Mm-mm. It does poke right into your fingers too. Yeah, those guys are really sharp.
What kind of Valerie? I don't know. She ran for it. I thought she had like an errand to run or something.
Okay, because her light's on.